Parsley Health changed my life by giving me more hope in the entire medical system. For like a year and a half, I was fatigued. No amount of sleep was enough. I felt body aches all day, every day, and I was nauseous. I tried to wake up for work one day, and I was just too exhausted. And I called the office to let them know that I was on my way and sat back down on the bed and fell back asleep for 6 more hours. Something was very wrong. The first doctor I saw thought that maybe I had an autoimmune disease, but there was nothing that they could do to fix the root problem. Being disempowered in the healthcare system feels like shouting into a void. You're just being bounced around, like from one person to the next person. I felt really alone. I finally met someone at Parsley who gave me hope again. It was feeling like someone was on my side, someone was taking the time to sit down and listen. And she was just very patient, and she did want to test a lot of things. The first thing that we solved were the deficiencies that I had, and I started to get a little bit better. Then they ordered a SIBO test. It's when bacteria from your large intestine gets into your small intestine. No doctor had ever mentioned SIBO to me up until this point, not even the 2 gastroenterologists that I saw. The SIBO test was absolutely confirming that I had an infection. We could treat it with antibiotics, and it was like my symptoms cleared up practically overnight. And then when I met with my health coach, we were gonna have to tweak my diet, and we would talk about, what she thought was working and what she thought wasn't working. She knew I was really overwhelmed, so she had me download an app and then start tracking things like symptoms and foods. I found out what I was actually allergic to. I can just avoid that part of it. I don't have to be afraid of the food anymore. My life started to feel more normal again. Now I can do yoga and take a run and go for a hike and go out and socialize all in one day. I couldn't do that before. My life is just so much more full now. My life quality is better. I am thinking about my future more than I ever did before.